Downtown LA. Kind of the only spot in LA that feels or looks like a proper city. So as a street photographer, or a photographer, or a tourist in general, is it worth a visit? Yeah, recently I spent the day downtown with my partner. She had never been to DTLA or experienced the wonders that the city has to offer, so I decided to show her around. Yeah, it's been a little over a year since I last visited or shot downtown LA, and not a lot has changed, honestly. It's got this really, really terrible reputation associated with it. I think there's just this perception that it's incredibly dangerous and like dirty and horrible and abandoned. Like with everywhere, there's good and bad, you know. There's definitely places in downtown LA that you don't want to be, especially after dark. And there are some genuine, pretty serious issues that I don't want to minimize or, ignore or anything like that. But look, don't leave anything valuable in your car. But other than that, I mean, you'll more than likely just have an excellent day of street photography. You know, the weirdest thing about downtown LA as a street photographer, or just I guess LA in general as a street photographer, is that compared to other big cities, LA just doesn't really feel like a city. To me, LA has always felt more like a collection of towns or suburbs, sort of all interconnected by these gigantic highways, than like a proper city. And a lot of US cities feel more like parking lots with stores and restaurants sprinkled in than like proper walkable city environments. Usually there's kind of this touristy epicenter, a market or some kind of attraction, and then there's a very steep and dramatic decline in walking traffic, foot traffic, as you leave that general vicinity. But LA is kind of the reverse. You know, the downtown area does get busy. It's really kind of a pain to get to because of the traffic and the parking and everything. But outside of those kind of commonalities, all of the foot traffic and the tourism and the attractions and things to do are all around the coast and just other parts of LA or up in the hills, like with the Getty or the Griffith Observatory. And so contrary to how pretty much every other city in the country works, downtown LA, this downtown area is kind of forgotten. After about 4 visits over the last few years to LA, comprising about a year total that I've spent in the city at this point, I'll say this: there are 5,000 little reasons to hate LA. And then there are like 10 really, really good reasons to be here. Reasons that people actually enjoy the city for what it is. It's not for everyone. That's totally fine. I'm not sure if I could be here year after year after year or anything like that. I've always had the luxury, obviously, of visiting for a few months at a time. So for me, it's definitely a lot easier, I think, to see LA in a positive light. And this day spent out in downtown LA kind of got me thinking about my relationship with cities in general, actually. Street photographers have a pretty weird perspective if you think about it. The metrics by which we judge a city as good or not good vary so much from normal people meandering through shops and restaurants and just having a good time with their friends or family. And so when you think about cities from the perspective of a street photographer, a person who goes out in them with the express purpose of taking photos of people without their permission, you get this kind of really skewed perspective. These places that are absolutely fantastic, wonderful places to visit maybe aren't the best for street photography, and it sort of colors at least my entire opinion of a place. It's the same themes, it's the same type of stuff that makes me, and I'm sure many of you, kind of idealize the lifestyle that you find in Europe or Latin American cities. The idea of third spaces and walkability and the less car-centric culture in some cases, and people just out and about, kind of in their environment. after all of this, there's still something about downtown LA that I really, really like. It's almost got this semi-New York-ish aesthetic, but like slightly apocalyptic. And maybe I just want to prove that I'm not as rusty at street photography as I think I am before the year is over, but I kind of want to keep coming back and seeing different parts of the city and what I can create in it. There's so much texture, the old theater facades and all of the neon and the lights and kind of the grunginess of the pawn shops and the storefronts and things like that. It reminds me a little bit of shooting in like the historic downtown part of Mexico City, to me, where things like the Palacio de Bellas Artes is and the cathedrals and things like that. Yeah, kind of a weirdly similar vibe. And if you're curious about maybe the best spots to check out if you're new to the area or unfamiliar, the route that we took is we started out in Chinatown on a Sunday to take advantage of the free parking, and then we just walked down to the central downtown area around the Grand Central Market and the Angel's Flight, you know, the goofy train that goes up and down the staircase. We kind of hung around there for most of the day, just sort of did circles around that central area, and then headed back to Chinatown at night to grab some food and head home. Of course, there's the Arts District and a couple other spots that people sometimes check out in downtown LA, but I think making the loop that we did hits most of the biggest tourist attractions and kind of most common places that people visit in DTLA. So although I'm a fan of meeting places where they are and embracing them for what they are, you know, for example, I think if you're a street photographer visiting LA, you kind of have to get into palm trees and coastal scenes and beaches. It's just a different aesthetic at the end of the day. Downtown LA kind of provides something vastly different from what the rest of LA looks like. If you're an LA resident that kind of avoids downtown because of traffic or whatever other reason, I think it's a really good spot to spend the day practicing in a slightly different environment. You know, maybe you don't need to make the trip all the way to New York. You can just head to downtown LA for the day. Yeah, sometimes it's frustrating, you know, sometimes you can't shake the feeling that you'd prefer to be elsewhere. But yeah, just try and let places be what they are and be open to receiving whatever you're given. And that advice, for the record, is something that I need to hear regularly and take to heart because it's something that I struggle with. But yeah, just in case you're under any kind of illusion that I'm up here on my high horse handing down sacred, you know, sage street photography knowledge, it's not the case. We're all learning together. But let me know what you think. Would you ever visit downtown LA? Have you visited in the past? What are your thoughts? Let me know. I'm dying to hear what you think, dying to hear what you have to say. So please let me know. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend, maybe consider sticking around, checking out some of my other stuff. But until then, I'll talk to you very soon, next Monday. Take some photos and have a good one.